Have you ever wondered what it would be like to create your own video game and see it on different platforms? Today we'll show you how can you make this dream come true with MiTSoftware. Let's dive into the thrilling world of the game development using Unity 3D. Unity 3D is a powerful and highly popular platform for creating video games. It has revolutionized the way developers bring their creativity ideas to life, enabling them to build virtual worlds, characters, visual effects, and intricate games mechanics with stunning attention to details. Whether it's simulation, action, and adventure, role-playing, sport, puzzle, or educational games, Unity 2D empowers developers to create it all. But what makes Unity 2D so special? First and foremost, Unity 2D provides a vast array of tools and resources that streamline developers' process, from stunning graphics to realistic physics. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. Additionally, it boasts a user-friendly and intuitive interface, making it accessible to developers of all skills levels. But the truly exciting aspect of Unity 2D is its ability to deploy games across multiple platforms, including PC, consoles, mobile devices, and even virtual reality. With Unity 3D, your creation can reach millions of players worldwide. As the leading platform in the game development, Unity 2D is a tool that transforms developers' ideas into an interactive universe. Our Unity 3D game development process follows an structured and collaborative approach to ensure high-quality outcomes. We have a team of skilled Unity 2D developers who excel in every aspect of the creativity process, spanning from conceptualization and design to programming, testing, and game launch. We are there with you through the entire journey, ensuring that your vision comes to fruition. Our aim is to make each game unique, showcasing the passion and creativity of its creator. We strive to develop customized solutions that cater to the specific requirement of each project. Embarking on a game development journey with Unity 3D is an exciting experience filled with unlimited possibilities. It equips you with an extensive range of tools and user-friendly interface, compatibility across multiple platforms, providing everything you need to transform your ideas into reality. So, if you're ready to elevate your ideas and embarking on this exciting game development journey, visit our website, MiTSoftware.com, to discover how can we bring you the vision to life. Thank you for joining us in this remarkable journey. If you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe and engage with us to reach our wider audience.